Thank you. So this video is to show you how to position your book strategically for maximum sales and visibility. And one of the areas we are talking about or focus on is the category of your book. Your book has 3 categories, right? And those categories are very, very important as far as publishing on Amazon is concerned. That way it helps you to build visibility for potential sales. So I'll be showing you a free tool that will help you to be able to put your book without stress, without guessing. This is leveraging on the books or the niche or whichever indices you use to write on that keyword, right? So you're going to look at other books that are doing well, top selling books that are doing well in that category. Then you pick up their ASIN number or their ISBN 10 to be able to integrate it with this tool to have the detailed structure of their category. So first thing first, I'll go to Amazon. And let's go to Amazon, and this is the book. I want to use this book for example as a case study. Let's go to Amazon, and let me have a new tab, and let's see amazon.com. This is my Chrome browser. I'm not using any special browser as you would think. So let's see. Let me pick, okay, that's this book. Let me just pick this book for example, since I'm using it as a case study. Right now, this is a book. Right now, if you come to this place, you notice that this book has hardcover, it has paperback, it has Kindle. So if you are publishing the Kindle version, all you need to do is to click on this. When you click on this, right, you click on the Kindle, then you scroll down. Scrolling down, you scroll down, come to this place, see what you want to look out for. You want to look out for, now for the Kindle, you pick the ASIN number. See this number here, ASIN number. So you highlight it, copy, then you now go to this site. This is where you now get the category, right? See this category, you have bkink.com, right? So when you come to that category, let's have it BK, so you see big link tools for authors. You click on it. So this is the interface. Then you now scroll down to where they say enter book ISIN or ISBN 10. I'll now paste the number. I'll now go for the book. Right now the book is going to pop up here. See the book. When you see the book, you now come down. See that these are the categories. Right, these are the categories the books is doing well. Right, so you now pick your category to make. So when you are publishing the Kindle version of your book, what you will do is that when you come here, you can take a screenshot. So when you are publishing in the Kindle version of your book, you now go and look for these categories: book from book, books, biography, historical biography, United States biography. See the second one, books, biography. You have leaders and notable people biography, president and heads of state biography. You see, it's directly like that. So once you're done with this, you now go back and you pick where's the book? Let's go back to the book. Where is it? Right, so I think this is it. Right, then you now go back and now you go to the paperback. You click the paperback. When you click the paperback, this time.
Hey, ever thought about publishing your own book but didn't know where to start? Well, with Amazon KDP, you can publish your book for free and reach millions of readers worldwide. That's right. With Amazon KDP, you keep up to 70% royalties from your book sales, and you have complete control over your content and pricing. Plus, you get real-time support with a strong, welcoming community ready to help. There's 24/7 live classes, and you can use smartphone to get started. Perfect for on-the-go learning. If you've always wanted to become a published author, this is your chance. DM me today and I'll share proven tips on how you can get started. For more personalized guidance and mentorship, reach out to the number on the flyer displayed on the screen.
When you click the paperback this time around, you now go down, right? I'm using this book as a case study. You can see it's ranking very well here, isn't it? It's ranking very well. So I'll now highlight the ISBN 10. Look at it. Then I'll copy. Right? I'll copy. So I will now go to, I'll come here to the place and paste it again. That is, I say enter ISBN number or ISBN 10 or access number. I'll now say go find book. Now it's going to give us this book, the category. Since imagine you are writing a keyword related to this, or maybe you are writing a cookbook, you are writing a travel guide, you are writing a biography book, whatever, right? Now I'm going to look at these are the categories. Now you see here is even ranking number 1. You can see, so you just study and pick your books category from this, and boom, you are good to go, right? So this is how to get category for your book. With this strategy, no stress, no challenge. It's not a paid tool, it's a free tool. Right? If you want to sign up for my mentorship, you want me to mentor you on Amazon KDP, you can reach out to me on the number displaying on the screen, or just reach out to me and you'll be glad you did.